Why do modern computer cases still have USB 2.0 ports? I'm currently planning the setup for a new computer. As I were browsing through computer cases, I realized that most modern computer cases still have a mix of USB 2.0 and 3.0 ports on the front panel. Is there a legitimate reason to still have or use USB 2.0 ports on modern PC cases? As far as I know, USB 3.0 has backward compatibility. Example image of a random case showing USB 2.0 ports to the left and USB 3.0 ports to the right. Be quiet. Silent Base 600 source.
Nobody has mentioned this yet, but USB 3.0 ports can cause issues with certain installation media. Windows 7 where only USB 2.0 drivers are provided on the installation media. Another key point mentioned by Actode is that USB 3.0 requires a large amount of bandwidth, which can congest existing CE lanes if all of the USB 3.0 ports are in use. Using 2.0, with its lower bandwidth, allows more devices to be used, which may not necessarily need the high bandwidth USB 3.0 provides, for example most user input devices, while maintaining open CE lanes for other peripherals.
USB 3.0 does have backwards compatibility, but if you, for some reason, happen to buy a motherboard that does not have a USB 3.0 header connection, only back I/O USB 3.0 ports, you're left without any front panel USB ports at all. That's one possible explanation.
No, there is no reason, except cost. There is no technical advantage from having a USB 2.0 port instead of a USB 3.0 port, but it is also not a big selling point to upgrade all ports instead of some only, so the extra effort of redesigning the hardware layout to have only USB 3.0 ports is often delayed or avoided. As others pointed out, most people assign devices to the ports that would have no advantage of USB 3.0, so they don't care about the limitation. If I'm designing a computer, I would not design any USB 2.0 in there. Actually, there are many computers that do not have USB 2.0 anymore, mine doesn't. It just depends which ones you check. My impression is that the market for towers is generally receding, and losing to laptops, little is done to their design therefore. Laptops are not more expensive anymore and much more practical.
USB 2 ports are handy for keyboards and mouse controllers and other non-drive uses, because those devices do not need the speedy throughput of USB 3. A keyboard or mouse connected on USB 3 would be a waste of the resource.
If you wanted support the channel, please consider subscribing.